And welcome back to Insurance 101 with Sovereign Select. The Medicare open enrollment deadline is this Monday. So, do you know what's in your plan? Because now is the time to figure it out before the clock runs out. Our next guest knows when it comes to Medicare plans, one size does not fit all. Jerry Wilson of Sovereign Select Insurance is with us to talk about Medicare choices you'll have in the new year. Hey, Jerry.
Good morning, Molly. How are you?
I'm doing good. Great to see you. I hope that you're feeling good. I think this must be such a busy time of year as people, the windows getting shorter and shorter. The deadline is Monday, and people are wondering, what are my choices?
That's a great question. And December 7th is the annual enrollment period. It ends on December 7th. And I just thought, Molly, sorry about this one, but just thought I'd give a Packer analogy. Several years ago, the Packers were like 1-2, and Aaron Rodgers came on. The people were thinking the sky is falling, things are going to fall apart. Aaron came on and said 5 words. He said, RELAX, relax. So I'm saying to all of our viewers this morning, December 7th is the cutoff date, but we at Sovereign Select, we're going to quarterback you to the finish line. We're going to score a touchdown and get you in the right plan. So we have 2 options, really, Molly, that when it comes down to 2 plays we want to run and look at this morning. And they are option number 1 is that for individuals who decide to stay on their Medicare supplement, or they call it a Medigap policy, that's the first option. It's the original Medicare, and we put an umbrella on it, and we give them some extra benefits. And it also provides the prescription plan for them is called the Part D. That's option number 1. It's called a Medicare supplement. Option 2 is one that we hear a lot about today, and it's called the Medicare Advantage plan. That takes and combines your Part A, your Part B, and your Part D all into one plan. And Sovereign Select provides a number of plans that you saw on the screen just now that we provide to individuals that we work with. And we're so excited with the December 7th deadline coming to be able to assist viewers today that may be sitting on the fence and haven't decided to snap the ball and run a play and get in the right plan. So we can definitely help them with that starting today. So they can call after the show, and we could definitely help them with that.
Well, and that's the beauty of you being an independent insurance agent is when we showed all those different companies, you're going to provide the best plan. You customize it for people. It's not that cookie cutter approach, which I think should make people feel a lot better about working with you. Also, as it relates to prescription drug plans, I think there's a lot of confusion about the Part D part of it.
Absolutely, Molly. Absolutely. And thank you for bringing that up. I want to say that the Part D is really important for both plans. Whether you're on a Medicare supplement, you want to review that, because what happens each year from year to year is that the private insurance companies may change those plans. And if you're still on an old Part D plan, you may be paying more than you have to in that particular case. From one of the companies that we're showing on the screen, you may want to give us a call and look at your Part D prescription plan if you're under a Medicare supplement. Now, the neat part also, the other thing is that if you're under a Medicare Advantage plan, and we've heard a lot of talk lately about 0, 0, 0, a lot of zeros. And the great thing about this is that the health insurance companies are providing a lot of good extra benefits for people who are on Medicare Advantage plan. You can get a 0 premium, you can get a 0 copay for your doctor's visits, and you can get a 0 copay for your prescription drugs. But this is the key, Molly, is that all Medicare Advantage plans that we showed on the screen there that we represented Sovereign Select are not the same. If you can't take the same plan as your neighbor because your drug prescriptions may be different. But there's a host of benefits that you can take advantage of in 2021. But you want to sit down with someone like myself at Sovereign Select and review your Medicare prescriptions to make sure that you're getting the right plan, because there's something called the drug tiers that the health insurance companies have, and they may have you paying more for your prescription drugs than you need to. So I think it's a good time before December 7th that we sit down, have a conversation, and really look at your plan and make sure if you're currently on a plan or if you're signing up for a new Medicare Advantage plan, or if you're on a supplement. You said, boy, I've been on it for 15 years. A whole lot has changed since then, and you really want to get on a plan that can save you money and really get you off to a good start in 2021 and take advantage of those great benefits that these companies are offering.
Yeah, it's important to relax. I get that part. And one thing that helps too is I think you're still doing these meetings, which is great. So people still have an opportunity to get their questions answered before the deadline.
Absolutely. That's why, Molly, that's why we set it up that way. Now's the time to get in and see us. We got a couple of virtual meetings that they can come in, sit, be a part of a virtual meeting and or telephone call if you're not tech savvy, and be able to use that to have a conference with us. And we'll just independently review your plan. There's no cost for that. And we'll have you either saying, hey, let's make some changes to that, or you're fine on the plan that you're on. So we've got some great options for people.
That's wonderful. I'm going to give the information now for the meetings that you're holding before the enrollment deadline expires. So thank you so much, Jerry.
Oh, thank you, Molly, and have a great day now.
You have a great day too. And again, Jerry Wilson is holding 3 more Road to Medicare educational meetings before the enrollment deadline. You can attend over the phone or computer, so it's safe. 2 of them are happening tomorrow on December 3rd at 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. Then there's another one on Saturday, December 5th at 10 a.m. This event is educational only. There's no cost for this event, but you should register. So call Jerry at this number. It's 262-222-2872 to obtain a no-cost consultation to review your current plan. You can do that individually. He can help you enroll in a new plan that suits your current needs. And remember, it's always changing. The best part is this can all be done from the safety and comfort of your own home. So for more information, you can also visit Jerry's website. It is selectjerry.com.